Hello, my name is Crystal Pywell, and I am a student here at Wichita State University. Today we will be doing something called walking water. What you will need for this experiment is 2 cups, a paper towel, something to stir with, food coloring, and some water. To start, separate your cups and place them about 2 inches apart. Now, taking your paper towel, fold it until it is about 1 to 2 inches wide. Now take your water and fill up one of the cups halfway full. Taking your food coloring, place a few drops into the water. Now take your paper towel and insert it into the water until it reaches the bottom, and then drape it over into the other cup. Now, as you can see, the water is going up the paper towel and it's going to reach the other cup. At this point, pause and come back an hour from now, and we'll see what happened. As you can see, the water has traveled up the towel and into the other cup. It will stop when the water becomes level with each other. This is possible due to capillary action. This is how plants go over and get their water through the root system. Here I have made a rainbow effect. For this you will need 7 cups and 4 colors. So pink, blue, yellow, and red. You would want to place an empty cup in between each of your colors that you will do. And each cup that you will do a color will be filled halfway. Thanks for joining us here at Wichita State University.